Watch your step.
No display.
I was being silly.
Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, are you sure?
I'm waiting for my wife. She's like,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
all right. All right, baby. Let's go.
Oh, look right here. Alex, you want to go this way? He's adventurous like that. Oh, okay, I'm not. I got bad knees. It's like someone we've seen on TV before. Most recently. Who touched me? Oh, okay, it was a stick.
Oh, you can borrow a life jacket too. Oh, here, you want to borrow this?
That's not living adventurous.
No.
You can borrow equipment. Look, you guys can goggles. I think we borrowed it a couple too many times.
What kind of like how you can borrow the fishing rods?
Yeah, that was kind of cool. I've never seen something like that. We don't have bait or anything though.
So sometimes, I'm surprised we didn't have any books. Sometimes I put reading books out there that you can read. Because I wish I would have looked before. No, it says, that's so bad he cannot jump.
Oh, I mean, there's a huge fat rock right here. I would not to jump.
I don't think you can from
Oh, yeah. You can
Well, I
make
guess
it,
some
though.
people could probably try it from there.
Dang.
You don't know how deep it is.
Look at the fishy.
I know, I see. Fishy, fishy, fishy.
All the fishing.
Fishy, fishy.
Yes.
are
Hey, look
there.
at the lures in the
Oh, wow.
Oh, there's like a little school over
It's pretty clear actually. Yeah, like,
I want to see all the little fishes, all the sick
do they just like the rangers just like come and drop sand in here? Or?
It's probably.
How y'all doing?
Great, and yourselves?
Doing good.
That's good.
good now.
We stepped in the tracks and now we're happy.
That's good. Well, I'm not sure how we actually get down there.
Your dad were like this. Mine. They're like from TikTok. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm in.
I'll be back.
Like your mom, dad, and your brother are going to be out there for a while.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you very much. You going, Alex?
No, I didn't bring my water.
What?
I'm fixing to just take my shoes off and my bag.
Oh. Hey, pretty lady.
Wow, look at that. Is that the footprint?
It looks like rocks. Oh wait, this is it.
Oh, here's one right here.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Like, they're all like on these rocks over there. There's a bunch of them.
Thank you, ma'am.
There's like there's a couple baby footprints. They're like smaller.
Uh-huh.
There's like it's like a smaller version of one right next to
Okay, cool. Thank you. Hey, be careful. These rocks are kind of slippery.
That's what he just said.
This is the best one I think I've seen right here. Oh, be careful, babe. You got your phone on you?
myself, yeah.
Yes, be careful.
I caught myself.
This one's a good print right there. It's actually got the 3, you know, claw marks. Be careful, Alex. Are you walking? Okay.
Yeah, you got my view.
I know, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
There's another good one right there.
Oh, this is a good one right here. Wow.
Put your toe there.
I wish I could spread them out like that.
You sure did. I do see that. Thankfully. Hopefully it stays that way. Oh, there's another good one right there. Look at that one. Did you see that one, Alex? That big one?
Oh yeah, that's where she took my picture.
Oh, okay. That's pretty good.
And it goes all the way over there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So there's like prints all throughout this whole river?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Now these are the more concentrated areas. But over there where we camped at, there's prints tracks over there as well. We'll look at those tomorrow. Okay. Don't fall.
I was gonna stand in it, but it's actually pretty deep.
Don't fall.
Look. Oh, I made a mess.
Oh yeah, you did. It is pretty deep.
Don't even try to stand on these rocks either. I was gonna slip. Sorry.
Go! Yeah, don't rub it in. Don't rub it in. Don't rub it in.
You could join me and my parents in our little competitions with our workouts.
I'm pretty sure just reworking in first out.
I can take off my shoes again?
See the tracks and stay dry.
Oh wow, this is one people take more pictures of because you can jump from rock to rock.
Mm-hmm.
I can take off my shoes again?
I guess so.
You don't have to. Just go brick to brick. I didn't take off I didn't put on my other shoes.
I didn't bring mine either.
You mean your Crocs? They're advertising.
Be careful when you walk down here there.
Because the rocks can make you slip.
Yeah.
The little pebbles. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, man.
Hold on, I'm not a jumper.
I know you're not. That's why I'm...
Okay. Okay.
Look who's here. Oh, hello.
My hands aren't making these. Then we can see them. They could be.
Where are the tracks at?
You just gotta look really
Oh, yeah. Ah, nice. Yeah.
So there's, I think that's one. Looks like a big shoe. That rock looks like cheese. It's got a lot of holes in it.
What if dinosaurs didn't actually make sound? They actually made they were like
Slay. They were like, girl.
slay. say something crazy when somebody walks by.
Oh my god, I really thought it was like a good animal.
Dad, watch your step.
Yes, ma'am. Follow trip on that.
Just see, we can't go out there. You should have brought your drone, Dad.
I guess this where we saw them, that worked.
Yeah, you're right.
Who's next? Who's gonna do it next?
Isn't this so that I can find water? Or, you know, like,
You get me on camera saying it?
No.
Damn it! That would have been even better. Alex has to say the next thing.
I tried to follow it up in there. Whenever he said that, I was like, oh, I mean, she wasn't a good one.
You should have said that. Because of where you were in the game. I said, well, it wouldn't be the first time.
Yeah.
I got hand sanitizer if anyone needs anything. No, not yet. And I got the poopery just in case. I don't know why I got poopery too.
The orange thing is for.
That's the trail marker. The orange trail.
Oh, wow, you can see that field we were next to.
Oh, yeah. That's a fun game to play, though.
Mm-hmm.
What would you say?
I have no idea. I didn't think you were going to say anything, to be honest with you.
I couldn't. You told me. Hurry up, would you? Do it,
I said, here you go. Uh-huh.
He's running. Look at that. He's jogging. He's working out.
Mm-hmm.
He had headphones on. He's actually working out with ankle. Is this where we're supposed to
Yep,
go?
right here. This is the overlook.
Oh, it's the one that. Oh, that's where.
Yeah, that.
Next to the other one.
So you can't go down there.
No.
Okay. So I put tank today about playing pickleball. Yeah, well, actually, Texas already texted me. Mom, you see the bird? Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. Are they okay? Where they at?
See, I'm trying to see where we were standing up there from here.
I don't know if you can see it from here.
I mean, you could see us or down here from up there.
Yeah. It was probably somewhere up there. Probably over there is what I would guess.
So guys, ever get hungry, I put that fish in my pocket.
Okay. Thank you.
She found any snacks.
Be careful right here on this one's. That one's kind of not stable. Just be careful. No, it's just a little wobbly.
That one. Yep, that one's wobbly. Really? Some people are gonna do an adventure. So they're taking our shoes off.
Nope, that's as far as I'm going right there.
Okay, fine.
Do it again. You won't do it. You won't do
No,
it.
I won't do it.
I dare you.
I'm gonna do that. Look, see now, Ryan's gonna start.
Don't do it, babe.
I am my father's son. I will do what I No, it's already sliding. See? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get these fish to come to May. That's how you
See, if I get even over there, I don't even have a way to get back over there.
I'll need another one.
Here. Are you even laying them right?
No.
Here, put the big one.
We were just, I told Dad we were just talking about him.